Alright, YouTube watchers, here we have this black 1982 Casablanca Spirit of Saturn in black and chrome. It's what I've been looking for the longest time. Go ahead and do the light first. Then setting of the light. There we go. This has the single bulb, non-halogen, full brightness. Going to the speed one. This fan is one of the two fans I got from Perry storage units for myself. This fan's pretty good condition actually. There's not scratches on it or anything. It's actually very minty. Only thing missing from this fan was blade arm screws and motor mount screws. But I have a white and brass Casablanca, the Spirit of Saturn. I literally just took parts off of that and it works fine. So. The white and brass disc, we a donor. I don't care for it that much. This one I like a lot. A whole lot actually. Anyway, that's speed 1, so I get speed 2. And it's fine. It's actually pretty well balanced too and everything. The other thing that was a problem was I believe the middle ring on this one was cracked all the way through. Luckily, once again, my other Casablanca white and brass came to the rescue with a non-crackable ring. Speed 3. Yeah, wherever we got this fan, it definitely wasn't in the box. It was installed somewhere once, it looks like. But it was installed somewhere, I'm guessing, pretty well because nothing's really wrong with it. It's a very nice fan there, nice runner. Very nice looking. Very nice looking. Go ahead and go for speed 4. Now I'm going through the speeds this way because the test mode is not wanting to run for some reason. The demo mode, I tried doing it twice and it just wouldn't, it did the sounds but it wouldn't actually start going into the demo mode. That might be an issue, but I'm not really concerned about it. It runs fine as it is and everything. Going speed 5. Most of the chrome, I haven't seen any tarnish really on anything. The blades are clean, no scratches. The glass, pretty clean. And once again, it came complete, basically. It was just missing screws. So, very nice find. One high speed. That is a very nice costume. Let me go and get the camera. While we're over here, there's the motor for the other white and brass and I took parts off. The blades and stuff are over the top of the freezer. Been looking for this thing for a while. Alright, so let's go ahead and do spin down. Put the camera back on our makeshift table we have over here. Come on. I'm assuming that's good, I can't really tell. So we're going to deal with it. Go ahead and do spin down. I have 2 more fans I'm testing today. Actually no, I have 3 more fans, possibly 4. So, those are things to look forward to I guess if you follow my channel regularly. As I said, this is from 1982. I'll say it again, perfect condition. Even the flywheel is actually good, so couldn't really ask for a better fan. I've been thinking about possibly installing this into my room, but I'm not entirely sure just because I still have my customers and all like in there. But I've got choices now. I've got plenty of choices if I want to install something else in my room. Um, this might actually be installed in some other place in the house. I might take down the other 1930s original and put this in the computer room. I'm not sure because I still have to run Romex first of all for that one. No, I don't want to put it in the laundry room. The laundry room will just be a pain, I think. Because there's two switches I control. I don't know, I put it somewhere, but I don't know where yet. I want to leave it in the box. There we go. Thanks again for watching.